Anuj is here now to take us through what he's making of the trade setup. Anuj, good morning.
Morning, Prashant. And the market's at quite a bit of an inflection point. Look at what Nifty and Bank Nifty did yesterday. The Nifty first, and you would notice that after 3 days of lower high, the Nifty made a higher high, 25,159. And not just that, it closed at almost the highest point of the day, which is something the Nifty was not able to do, because it's always tough to carry overnight positions in a market like this. The Bank Nifty is even more pronounced. Here also, if you see the chart of the last few days, lower highs, but yesterday, not just a higher high, but the market or the index almost closing there. That's a good sign. In fact, not just that, it's the best closing for both Nifty and Bank Nifty since the correction started, dating all the way back to the October 3rd. And Nifty and Bank Nifty both are now 150 points away from the 20-day exponential moving average, which is the most important tool as far as the near-term trading direction of an index is concerned. Because if you don't stop at 20-day mark, then there's a possibility of even hitting a new all-time high in the November series. If, however, there's a halt and there's a hard halt here, then perhaps maybe some more time correction. The other big factor is crude, which has fallen to $75 per barrel, and it's big positive, of course, for Indian macro. So what exactly has changed over the last 4 or 5 days? The Indian market, remember, it had a just 2 or 3 day correction, but the price damage was huge. There were 3 big factors, and all seem to have reversed. The biggest factor was China. It's not as if China is not getting any new money. It is, but at least in terms of the price move, the Chinese index has stopped reacting to all those new inflows. The last few days have shown perhaps the initial euphoria was a bit outdone. The second big reason, of course, has been the West Asia factor. And it looks like now a full-blown escalation perhaps is not there. And that's helped the crude price go back to $75. And the third factor, of course, was politics, where the Haryana win really revived the BJP. And that was an important factor. And the last point, the market started the series extremely overbought with 85% net long positions. That long position is now down to just 35%. So the ingredients are in place for markets to extend this move if we close above the 20-day exponential moving average.
Okay, all right. Anuj, we'll keep those levels in mind as well. Thank you very much for the context.